Hi, fellow Pixie Bricks fans. This is Boss Stern and my hackathon entry. I got a lot of help from Orlando with this, and I love it. Basically, on Sundays, I give tutoring to some Israeli students who come from more or less underprivileged location, and I tutor them in English, and it's remote. And this routine basically makes a list of the words that they don't know as we go along. So for instance, let's say we're doing a quiz here. What country were dogs once worshipped as gods? So we don't know what worship means, so we hit the context menu, get the confetti, and it updates a Google Google list, and see, worship, Sadu. That's what it is in Hebrew. So now they know what it is. And then we go, we don't even know what Egypt is. So we say translation list, and we get the confetti, and it adds it to the list. Mitzrayim, etc., etc., etc. And another nice thing is that if you want to edit the list, you could just kind of work it straight from here. You don't have to go to the Google list, which is over here. See?